I still drink coffee, just not first. This comes first. One glass, 7 ingredients, takes 3 minutes to blend, and what it does to the first 4 hours of my day compared to starting with coffee alone is not subtle. Not even close. In the 1970s, serious gyms had a version of this on a handwritten card taped to the wall. No brand, no packaging, no one making money off it. I found the research, and it explains exactly why it worked then, why it works now, and why starting your morning this way instead of starting with coffee and nothing else is a completely different biological experience after 50. 3 things change. I tracked all of them. Stay to the end because the third one, what this cocktail does to afternoon energy, is the one I wasn't expecting. All the studies are linked in the description. Drop a comment. What does your morning routine look like right now? Coffee first, food first, nothing at all? I want to know what people are actually doing. Result 3. The cortisol sieve. The first thing that happens when you wake up is absolutely not hunger. It is a massive cortisol spike. Cortisol functions as your primary stress hormone. It rises sharply in the early morning hours to forcefully pull you out of deep sleep. This chemical spike lingers for quite a while. While it lingers, it actively strips essential amino acids out of your skeletal muscle to fuel your brain and organs. Biologists call this destructive process gluconeogenesis. Every single morning you spend an hour with black coffee and absolutely nothing else means that cortisol spike is running completely unchecked. Your own muscle is paying the heavy bill. Coffee makes this physiological reality measurably worse. Caffeine elevates your cortisol levels by an additional 30% above the already elevated morning baseline. Researchers from the University of Oklahoma Department of Health and Exercise Science proved this precise mechanism in a clinical setting. They published their detailed findings in the International Journal of Sport Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism. Their team meticulously measured cortisol responses to caffeine ingestion in the morning fasted state. They found the cortisol amplification effect was shockingly pronounced and stubbornly prolonged. Think about that for a second. You are pouring a potent stimulant directly onto an active stress response. Does that sound like health to you? This is not a valid reason to completely abandon coffee. I genuinely love coffee. It simply means you need to understand exactly what replaces it first thing in the morning and exactly why this liquid replacement works so well. The cocktail stops this catabolic nightmare through 2 completely simultaneous actions. The whole eggs and whole milk together deliver a massive hit of complete protein. They provide enough leucine to immediately raise your blood amino acid levels far above the biological danger threshold. Your body suddenly has absolutely no reason to cannibalize its own muscle tissue. It has fresh dietary protein readily available in the bloodstream. At the exact same time, the raw honey provides a highly controlled glucose signal. This specific signal tells your exhausted adrenal system that the overnight fast is officially over. That simple carbohydrate message blunts the cortisol response right at its original source. Research from the Maastricht University Department of Human Biology confirmed this dual mechanism beautifully. They published a remarkable and exhaustive paper in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise. Their clinical team definitively demonstrated that consuming high-quality protein within 30 minutes of waking measurably reduced the morning catabolic window. The subjects shifted their bodies toward a net positive protein balance significantly faster than when delaying their protein intake by even 90 minutes. The natural morning cortisol spike still happens, of course, but the cocktail gives it absolutely nothing to take from you. You keep the muscle you worked so relentlessly hard to build. You shut down the internal chemical alarm bells. We move directly from morning preservation to solving the afternoon collapse. Quick pause, hit like and subscribe if this is resonating. Result 2. The adenosine rebound block. I find it infuriating that nobody explains this basic neurological mechanism to the public. We just accept the afternoon crash as a normal part of adult life. It is entirely optional. The brutal afternoon energy crash is not a blood sugar problem for the vast majority of people. It is an adenosine problem. Coffee creates it. Adenosine is a complex chemical that accumulates in the brain throughout the entire day. It produces the distinct sensation of heavy fatigue to signal that your body desperately needs rest. Caffeine works its magic by temporarily blocking your cellular adenosine receptors. It violently suppresses that tired signal. The moment the caffeine finally clears your system, something terrible happens. This usually occurs 4 to 6 hours after your morning cup. All the adenosine that secretly accumulated while the receptors were forcefully blocked floods in simultaneously. That invisible wall you hit at 2 in the afternoon is not natural fatigue at all. It is a chemically amplified rebound created by the very substance you use to wake up. This daily cocktail does not block adenosine. It does not need to block anything. Instead, it aggressively addresses the underlying cellular energy deficit that makes the adenosine signal feel so absolutely catastrophic when it finally arrives. The wheat germ in this specific recipe contributes massive amounts of B-complex vitamins in their complete whole food form. It specifically provides abundant B1, B2, and B3. These specific vitamins are the direct enzymatic cofactors in your mitochondrial energy production. When those crucial vitamins are present at adequate physiological levels, the cells producing ATP operate with terrifying efficiency. ATP is the energy currency of absolutely every function in your body. With abundant ATP, the normal afternoon adenosine signal produces a manageable and polite sense of tiredness rather than a full physical collapse. A massive clinical investigation from the NIH National Institute on Aging firmly established this truth. They published their exhaustive findings in the journal Nutrients. Their researchers found that subclinical B vitamin deficiency independently impairs cellular energy metabolism in profound ways. This hidden deficiency actively amplifies your physical perception of fatigue. They discovered that whole food B vitamin repletion improved subjective energy scores far more consistently than isolated synthetic supplementation. You cannot just take a pill and expect the same mitochondrial miracle. You need the whole food matrix. The brewer's yeast in this powerful cocktail adds a crucial dose of natural chromium. Chromium powerfully stabilizes your blood glucose in the long hours right after you finish the drink. This completely eliminates the secondary sugar crash mechanism that violently compounds the adenosine rebound in people whose mornings run on nothing but black coffee. The final result is not a jittery artificial alertness. It is a rock-solid, stable energy floor. It makes the entire afternoon totally manageable, rather than something you barely survive. Now we tackle the final and most powerful biological mechanism of all. Result 1. The anabolic switch. A landmark study from the University of Texas Medical Branch Department of Nutrition and Metabolism fundamentally changed how we view muscle growth. Published in the Journal of Nutrition, this research demonstrated something incredible about protein distribution. Their clinical team found that the presence of a complete high-quality protein dose early in the morning was the single most powerful dietary predictor of total muscle protein synthesis over a 24-hour period. It heavily outperformed total daily protein intake as an isolated variable. Simply eating enough protein by the time you go to sleep is not enough. The timing dictates the biological result. Your body simply does not build muscle easily when you are running on empty. It requires a specific physiological threshold to be met. Your muscle tissue demands a high protein dose paired with a completely full amino acid profile. It also demands a hormonal environment that aggressively supports rather than suppresses muscle building. Most standard morning meals fail all three of these strict requirements simultaneously. A cup of black coffee obviously fails them all. This potent cocktail meets all three in a single glass. The protein architecture built into this drink is the master key. 2 to 3 whole eggs combined with whole milk together deliver somewhere between 20 and 28 grams of perfect complete protein. This massive payload contains a leucine content approaching or exceeding the 2.5 gram biological threshold. Research has definitively identified that exact amount as totally necessary to fully activate muscle protein synthesis. The University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign conducted a brilliant trial published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. They demonstrated that eating whole eggs produces 40% greater muscle protein synthesis than eating egg whites at totally identical protein doses. They established that the entire food matrix surrounding the protein determines the final anabolic outcome. It is not just the isolated amino acid content. The egg yolk provides structural fat, phosphatidylcholine, and crucial micronutrients that create the perfect cellular delivery system. The frozen banana actively addresses your internal hormonal environment. It provides massive potassium and natural carbohydrates that instantly support insulin sensitivity right at the muscle cell level. The natural peanut butter delivers a rich arginine content. Arginine aggressively supports increased blood circulation to your working muscle tissue. Finally, the raw honey provides a precise and controlled insulin pulse. That specific pulse violently drives all those waiting amino acids across the muscle membrane at the exact moment they are most biologically available. What this specific cocktail does that absolutely no modern synthetic protein shake can ever replicate is deliver these powerful signals simultaneously in a pure food matrix form. Consuming this mixture within 30 minutes of waking up unlocks the most efficient anabolic window available to your body every single day. We are essentially flipping a master biological switch. Here is exactly how you build it. The complete formula and protocol. This is the exact and uncompromising formula. It is not a modern variation. It is not a watered-down adaptation. This is the original ratio that made this specific drink an absolute staple in serious lifting gyms. It was used by people who had absolutely no interest in synthetic supplements and no financial budget for them anyway. You must follow these instructions precisely to get the physiological results we just discussed. First, you need whole milk. You will use 1 to 1.5 cups. It absolutely must be full-fat milk. If you happen to be lactose intolerant, you should use a lactose-free whole milk. Do not use an almond or oat or soy plant alternative under any circumstances. The natural dairy fat matrix is completely non-negotiable for the proper delivery of the fat-soluble nutrients contained in the other ingredients. Without the dairy fat, you are wasting your time. Next, you add whole raw eggs. You need 2 to 3 of them. You must use pasteurized shell eggs. You can usually find the pasteurized stamp on the side of the carton at any good grocery store. Buying pasteurized eggs completely eliminates the risk of salmonella without altering the delicate protein profile in any way. Do not use egg whites only. The yolk is literally half the biological mechanism. Throwing away the yolk means throwing away the primary growth signal. Then comes the wheat germ. You will use 2 generous tablespoons. You must buy it raw and completely untoasted. You absolutely must refrigerate the jar immediately after opening it. Toasted wheat germ has significantly reduced enzyme activity because the heat destroys the delicate structures. A jar of rancid wheat germ sitting forgotten on a warm pantry shelf does much more bodily harm than good. Keep it cold. Keep it fresh. The brewer's yeast goes in next. You need exactly 1 tablespoon. Pay very close attention here. You want brewer's yeast specifically. You do not want nutritional yeast. You do not want baker's yeast. They are completely different organisms with different nutritional profiles. If you have never consumed it before, you should start with half a tablespoon for your first week. It has a slightly bitter flavor profile. The banana and the peanut butter will completely mask the bitterness at the full dose once your palate becomes accustomed to the earthy taste. Now add the natural peanut butter. Use 1 heavily heaped tablespoon. Turn the jar around and read the label right now. There should be exactly 1 single ingredient listed on that label. Peanuts. If it contains added sugar or palm oil, put it back on the shelf. Highly processed hydrogenated commercial peanut butter actively counteracts the massive anti-inflammatory work being done by the raw eggs. Follow that with raw honey. Measure out 1 tablespoon. It must explicitly say raw on the label. Standard pasteurized honey is basically just liquid candy. The intense pasteurization process completely destroys all the delicate polyphenols and living enzymes that carry the powerful anti-inflammatory benefits into your cells. Finally, you add the banana. You need 1 medium banana, and it must be completely frozen solid. You should peel it the night before and place it in a bag in your freezer. This simple freezing step is the single most important textural trick. It instantly changes the mixture from a weird thin liquid into a rich and thick milkshake. It also slightly concentrates the natural fruit sugars. This makes the drink something you will actually look forward to consuming every single morning. The protocol for consumption is incredibly strict. You will blend absolutely everything together on high speed until it is perfectly smooth. You must consume this entire mixture within 30 minutes of opening your eyes in the morning. You drink it before you touch coffee. You drink it before you eat any other food. If you happen to exercise in the morning, you should drink this 20 to 30 minutes before your physical activity begins. Do not wait until after your workout. Using the pre-exercise window allows the massive wave of amino acids to be actively circulating in your blood at peak levels precisely when your muscle demand reaches its absolute highest point. You want the fuel arriving during the fire rather than arriving 2 hours later when the critical window of opportunity has completely passed. The total financial cost per serving generally lands between 90 cents and $1.40. This obviously depends heavily on where you shop and what local egg prices are currently doing. The raw ingredients have not changed their biological nature. Only the flashy plastic name on the expensive commercial protein powder that tried to replace this drink has changed. Stick to the real food.